Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best lash serum is probably one of the most sought-after beauty products for anyone dreaming of naturally longer, fuller, and more dramatic lashes without the need for extensions or falsies. Imagine waking up every day with a captivating gaze that turns heads, all thanks to a simple yet powerful serum applied nightly. This innovative formula works by nourishing your lash follicles with essential vitamins and peptides, stimulating growth and improving the overall health and appearance of your lashes over time. Get ready to say goodbye to sparse lashes and hello to the fluttery, voluminous look you've always desired, as we dive deep into what makes a lash serum truly effective and how you can achieve your dream lashes. Number 5. Cliganic Organic Castor Oil, 8 ounces with Eyelash Kit. Discover the purity of our organic castor oil, cold-pressed and 100% pure. It's a versatile natural solution for your beauty needs. Nourish your lashes and eyebrows naturally. This oil is perfect for promoting fuller, healthier-looking growth. Experience the benefits for your hair and skin. It helps to moisturize and condition, leaving them feeling soft and revitalized. Our formula is natural, unrefined, and hexane-free, ensuring you receive the highest quality ingredients. It's a safe and effective carrier oil for your DIY projects. This special 8-ounce bottle comes with an eyelash kit, making application easy and convenient. Achieve your beauty goals with this all-in-one solution. What we like. This option is a generous 8-ounce bottle of organic, cold-pressed castor oil. It also comes with a handy eyelash kit for easy application. If you're looking for a cost-effective, large-quantity solution and want to try DIY lash treatments, this is a great choice. What people say. This serum is amazing. It has made my lashes grow so much longer and thicker. I've been using this serum for a few weeks now and I can already see a difference. My lashes are definitely longer and fuller. I love this lash serum. It's easy to apply and doesn't irritate my eyes. My lashes have grown so much since I started using it. Number 4. Pure Body Naturals Castor Oil for Eyelashes and Eyebrows. Discover the secret to naturally fuller lashes and beautifully defined eyebrows. Our pure castor oil is designed to nourish and enhance your natural beauty. Experience the power of organic, cold-pressed castor oil. It's hexane-free and unrefined, ensuring you get the purest form for optimal results. This potent serum works to nourish your lash and brow follicles. See a visible difference as it promotes healthier, stronger growth. Specifically formulated for women who desire a natural enhancement for their lashes and brows. Achieve the look you've always wanted, the natural way. Just 1 fluid ounce of pure goodness is all you need. It's a simple yet effective addition to your beauty routine for noticeable results. What we like. This is a 1-ounce bottle of organic, hexane-free castor oil specifically formulated for lashes and brows. It's a nourishing option designed for targeted growth. If you prefer a smaller, dedicated lash and brow serum and value organic ingredients, this product is ideal for you. What people say. This serum has helped my lashes grow longer and thicker. I have seen a noticeable difference in my lash length after using this serum for a few weeks. My lashes appear fuller and more voluminous since I started using this product. Number 3. USDA Organic Castor Oil Lash Serum. Discover the power of nature for your lashes. Our USDA Organic Castor Oil is a premium, all-natural solution for enhancing your natural beauty. Experience the benefits of cold-pressed castor oil, carefully formulated to promote thicker and fuller lashes. It's the clean beauty choice you've been looking for. This potent serum works as a lash treatment and conditioner. It nourishes each strand, leaving them feeling healthier and looking more voluminous. Our included mascara tube makes application a breeze. Simply swipe it on like your favorite mascara for easy, everyday use. Achieve the thicker, fuller lashes you desire, all with a natural, organic ingredient. See the difference that pure castor oil can make. Elevate your lash game with this premium treatment. It's designed to give you the luscious lashes you've always dreamed of, naturally and effectively. What we like. This USDA Organic Castor Oil Lash Serum is designed to give you thicker and fuller lashes. It comes with a convenient mascara tube for precise application. If your main goal is to achieve noticeably thicker and fuller lashes and you appreciate the ease of a mascara applicator, this serum is a perfect fit. What people say. It has made my lashes grow longer and thicker. I have been using this serum for a few weeks and I can already see a difference in my lash length. My lashes are definitely longer and fuller than before. Number 2. Essynaturals Eyelash Growth Serum. Discover the secret to naturally beautiful lashes. Our premium serum is designed to enhance your natural lash growth, giving you the fluttery look you've always desired. Experience the power of lash enhancement without irritation. This gentle formula works effectively to promote healthier, stronger lashes with consistent use. Watch as your lashes transform over time. With regular application, you'll notice a visible difference in length and fullness, making your eyes stand out. Give your lashes the nourishment they deserve. Our carefully crafted serum supports lash health, ensuring they look their best every day. Achieving longer lashes is now easier than ever. Simply apply our serum as directed and prepare to be amazed by the stunning results. What we like. This premium lash serum is formulated to be irritation-free while promoting lash growth. It's a high-quality option for those concerned about sensitivity. If you have sensitive eyes or have experienced irritation with other lash serums, this one is designed with your comfort in mind. What people say. It really works and my lashes are longer and thicker. I have been using this for a few weeks and I can see a difference. My lashes are longer and fuller. This serum is amazing. My lashes have grown so much since I started using it. Number 1. FEG Rapid Eyelash Enhancer Serum. Discover the secret to naturally thicker, fuller, and longer lashes. Our advanced formula is designed to stimulate your natural lash growth. Crafted with natural ingredients, this serum nourishes your lashes from root to tip. It's gentle yet effective for visible results. Experience rapid growth and see a noticeable difference in just a few weeks. Achieve the luscious lashes you've always dreamed of. Say goodbye to sparse lashes and hello to a more voluminous look. It helps to enhance the fullness and length of your natural lashes. Get a convenient 3-pack of 3 ml tubes, ensuring you have a continuous supply. Keep your lashes looking their best with this essential treatment. What we like. This lash enhancer uses natural ingredients to stimulate rapid growth for naturally thick, full, and long eyelashes. It comes in a convenient 3-pack of 3 ml tubes. If you're looking for a multi-pack of a lash serum that promises quick results with natural ingredients, this option offers great value and convenience. What people say. It has made my lashes longer and thicker. I have been using this serum for a few weeks and I can already see a difference in my lash length. My lashes are definitely longer and fuller after using this product for a month. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.